Welcome. Are you ready to move past textbook Spanish and truly connect with Mexican culture? We're diving into 5 surprising ways to master authentic Mexican connection. That hollow silence after a technically correct greeting? It means you've hit the wall of clinical fluency. To truly speak, you need to participate in the cultural rhythm. Moving beyond the textbook means your words reflect respect, communal warmth, and social harmony. This is the native nuance in Mexican connection. In Mexico and Latin America, greetings are more than information exchange. They are the threads of a complex social contract, reflecting a deep cultural understanding. Let's start with time. In many Western cultures, time is rigid, but in Mexico, time is fluid and secondary to the human relationship. This is perfectly captured by the phrase, "Nos vemos ahorita," literally "see you right now." It can mean anywhere from 5 minutes to several hours later. Understanding ahorita means shifting from a fixed time paradigm to a fluid one, prioritizing the quality of the current interaction over the clock. Next, let's look at bridging the gap between a stranger and an acquaintance by moving toward a regional vibe in your conversation. The quintessential Mexican greeting is Qué Onda, literally, what wave, but functioning as what's the frequency or what's the vibe. Using this regionalism signals you are no longer reading from a script, but are a participant tuned into the local frequency, the hallmark of a culturally literate speaker. Our third takeaway is about situational awareness, demonstrated through the dual function of Buenas Noches. The pivot point for this phrase is sunset. Once the light fades, you switch from Buenas tardes to Buenas noches. Buenas noches performs double duty as both an arrival greeting and a departure farewell, showing you are socially present in the moment. Saying goodbye in Mexico is rarely quick. It's a ritual of reciprocity and well-wishing, highlighted by the phrase con cuidado. Mexican farewells are a lengthy ritual. It's an essential component of the process to sincerely wish the other person well. Con cuidado, or go carefully, is typically reserved for guests leaving a home. It's a verbal hug that extends the host's protection beyond the front door, transforming an exit into a meaningful connection. Finally, when discussing future plans, many Mexicans will add the tag Si Dios Quiere, which translates to if God wills it.
For example, nos vemos el sábado, si Dios quiere. While its origins are religious, the modern application is largely secular.
This phrase functions as a linguistic safety valve, showing that you value communal humility and acknowledge that the future is never entirely certain. It avoids sounding overly assertive. To master the Mexican art of connection, remember to speak the culture, not just the language. Thank you for tuning in.